Here is game logo. These files are protected password in this my app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri and buy now. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is 64 games layer style bundle. 32 layers is here and 32 is here. First is preview. You can change or you can edit everything or write anything. First install this and next open this one. Okay, styles, and here is a background. You can change or write anything. Okay, and same thing is here. Next is cartoon and game text. Here is the AI and APS files for Adobe Illustrator. Next is logo and esport game template design. These files especially for Adobe Illustrator. You can change everything. For example, I open this one. You need these font. Download on web. Okay, close, skip. Here is our object. You see, you can change everything. Okay, change color, change background or anything. Okay, now same thing is here. You can change color, you can write any text in Adobe Illustrator. I hope these logo are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care of this.